is big MT for displaying the puzzle. On the back is the DE2115 development port. Using the 40-pin expansion port, we connect the Bluetooth module with 3.3V voltage, power source, and T and R pins. The display is an LCD module with a 5 megapixel digital image sensor. Now let me show you how to play the 12 puzzle game. On the Android phone, run this application. First, the Bluetooth on the smartphone is connected to the Bluetooth module on DE2115. The successful connection will be shown on the display. Now, you can point the camera on the big MT to the object whose picture you want to capture. Now, you push the picture button. Then the picture will be taken by the camera on the big MT. The snapshot will be displayed on the LCD. If you don't like the picture, you can push the reset button and take another picture. If you are ready to play the game with the snapshot just taken, then push the game start button. Then the image is segmented into 12 parts and randomized. One part is replaced by a dark hole. This is where a neighbor tile can move into. There are 5 icons. The icons in the center is ready. When the player tilts the phone, one of the 4 direction icons will show the sensor direction. First, hold the phone horizontally flat to get ready to move a tile. If you tilt the phone down toward yourself, the tile above the dark hole will move down and the dark hole will go up. If you tilt the phone down away from yourself, the tile below the hole will go up. After any move, you must return the phone to the horizontal position to get ready for the next move. When the tiles reform the original picture, the missing tile will replace the dark hole and the puzzle is solved successfully. This is the end of our demo. Thanks.